How to autoplay background music to Wix website. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Wix website. Once you are in, as you can see on the top, it is the option of search. Now where you have to search for music background. Just like this, here is many options, but you have to select the custom background music. Once shining, you have to add to site, and here you have to go to editor. Now as you can see, here are many options, but you have to go on the add elements. Once you are in, you have to go on the video and music, and here click on the mix music. As you can see, here is the music icon selecting the dolphin. Once you select it, you have to just download it and play it, and the music will be play on the background to Wix websites. So this is how you can play music to background on Wix.